English ko, then bulk buy na doon ako na kailan ako nag-last pet scan. Yung pinakaunang pet scan was probably late September or early October. He had the stomach flu. It was going around that careful talaga. Pero, I'm sorry, ano na sila, hindi na ako marunong humawak ng colonoscopy, endoscopy ko na iba na talaga. Etong bago,
At saka pag halimbawang hindi malamig, ayan o, medyo nagre-red na yung face ni Miss Grace.
Pero na, bago
Nang slight lang naman. Nang super content. You don't feel it yet?
Okay din. Medyo.
Oh,
Sorry,
Miss
dito.
Day.
Yes.
Second week of May.
Kasi may 12 of election, so i-rest naman natin. 11.
Yes.
Oh, serious na.
Opo. Kaya importante na malamig. Na super lamig.
Stop muna natin. And then, balikan mo. Kasi hindi ka makifeel. Ikaw, okay naman yung what trip.
Super party lang naman. Parang rush lang.
Yun na yun.
Especially the dates. Sinugar ko ito.
That's yun ang alala ko.
Yun na yun.
Kasi wala nga akong balloons na instigator na what time is it? No.
It's 7. Kaya dinala ka ni Din ng balon last week.
Dahil comfort na po. 7
Yeah.
o'clock lumalabas yung butterfly. So,
Whether
meron
it's
naman
cold or
nakikita yung time
hot.
niya na fluid in my lungs. Welcome to my life. English naman daw, pero still, bulk buy na daw ako magkaka-fluid. Tapos yun, na-clear ako for pneumonia. Basta lang sa test na po.
Yes.
They're wondering why. Ganyan. Kasi nga, he had the stomach flu.
Pero you're
It is going around that.
You're cancer free. But you never had cancer.
I'm sorry, sabihin ko na hindi na ako marunong humawak. Sa dami naman ng online news. Magkakaroon na iba na talaga. So, sabihin naman nila.
At saka pag halimbawa hindi malamig, ayan o, medyo nagre-red na yung face ni Miss Grace.
Pero na,
Nang slight lang naman. Yes. Nang super
lungs ko
content.
na
You don't feel it
I've
eh.
always been honest. Medyo bad. So, dito.
Yes.
Kung makaka-cancer, wait na lang kayo. I'm very honest. It's gonna happen.
Opo.
It
Kaya
will
importante
happen,
na
but
malamig.
not
Na
yet.
super lamig.
Stop muna natin. And then, balikan mo. Go through the trouble of visiting me where
Super
I am
party lang
right
naman.
now.
Parang
Kasi,
rush lang.
until now, hindi nyo alam. Yun na yun. Thank you. And to the family na allowed me to stay in their property. What time is tumulong talaga
It's
sa
7.
paghinga. Yung nag-clear ito, dahil po ako, I've been breathing very lumalabas yung water. Kaya lang, ang latest problem ko is that
Whether it's cold
my
or
blood
hot.
pressure is now very low. From being very high and this yung bulk by the daw yun.
Yeah.
Yung bagong na diagnose ako. So, kinuha ko na lang.
Opo.
Pero, kasi nga, I might hear the stomach because it was going around that careful. Feeling ko naman, I'm sorry, sa akin na hindi na ako marunong humawak test for my face. Matibay ang pananampalataya. Yun.
Yeah. At saka pag halimbawang hindi malamig, ayan o, medyo nagre-red na yung face ni Miss Grace.
Pero
Nang slight
kaya
lang
mo
naman.
pa ba?
Nang super content.
Magtitiwala
You don't
ka
feel
pa?
it
Kasi
yet.
diba, even Jesus suggested with the 40 days na
Yes.
fast na siya. Kasi the devil is there, diba? Naman natin, work of the devil. Ang bilis na binibigay yung
Kaya importante na malamig. Na super lamig.
Stop muna natin. And then, balikan mo. Hindi ako mag-feel.
Super
Dahil
party
kinuha
lang
na ako
naman.
ni
Parang
God.
rush lang.
And I'm fine. Yeah, yun na yun. Wish happy.
Sinugar ko
Basta
ito
happy.
sana.
But of course,
Yun na
I'm
yun.
not ready. I don't think anybody will ever say they're ready
It's
to die.
7.
Diba? Especially kung bata pa yung mga anak. Dahil ko ako, so,
Yes.
7 o'clock, lumalabas yung butterfly. Jessica Soho. Yeah.
Whether it's cold or prayer warriors too.
Yeah. Ito kasi, welcome to my life. Yung mommy, nung bulk buy na daw.
Yeah.
Isang, tapos ano sila, okay, send her our love.
Yes. Opo.
Rising. And then, kasi nga, please tell her that our mom Rose it's going around mommy nila is named Rose, loves her very much. I'm sorry, so just na hindi na ako marunong. Thank you, Anne. Thank you, Ace. Thank you. Kasi iba na talaga.
Oo. At saka pag halimbawa hindi malamig, ay
maraming
ano, medyo
lemons.
nagre-red na yung
Na-
face
and-
ni
and
Miss Grace.
Ang lemons pala,
Ng
grown in the
slight lang
Philippines
naman.
are
Ang
discolored.
super content.
If
You don't
they
feel it yet.
become yellow, that means may dinagdag na something.
Yes.
Yes, pero kasi off in air. Madalas na bibili namin. So it's,
Yes.
yan, yung parang
Opo.
ako na
Kaya
yung mga
importante na malamig. Na
products
super
na
lamig.
ginagawa.
Stop muna natin.
And then, balikan mo.
Parang kasi dito ka
Philippine grown na.
Ah,
Kaya nga
yan.
nananawagan
Super
ako
country lang naman,
pwede
parang rush
mag-grow
lang.
lang. Favorite, yun na yun. And like Popeye.
Yes, Papa is...
In this content, bought by me. What
Yeah.
time is it? No.
It's a 7. Yes.
Like Popeye.
Yes, yes.
7 o'clock,
Opo.
lumalabas yung butterfly. Ganyan.
Oh.
Kasi na, he had the stomach
Whether it's
flu.
cold or
It was going
hot.
around that. Careful. Yun na.
Welcome to my life.
I'm sorry sabihin ko na hindi na ako marunong humawak ng fork.
Ah.
Hindi nga. Kasi yung grip ko na iba na talaga.
Oo. At saka pag halimbawang hindi malamig, ayan o, medyo nagre-red na yung face ni Miss Grace.
Pero na,
Nang slight lang naman. Nang super content. You don't feel it yet?
medyo.
Mhm.
Dito.
Yes.
Feel ko na. Kasi,
Yes.
off yung aircon. Sabi ko, i-rest naman natin yung aircon.
Yes, opo.
Ang bilis na.
Opo. Kaya
Oh.
importante na malamig, na
Let's-
super lamig.
Stop muna natin. And then, balikan mo ako. Kasi dito ko na-feel at dito.
Super country lang naman, parang rush lang.
Yun na yun.
Sinugarcoat ko pa, no? Yun na yun. Yeah.
Every day, it happens to me. What time is it? No.
It's a 7.
Exactly.
Yes.
Like clockwork.
Yes.
7 o'clock, like, lumalabas yung butterfly rush.
Oh.
So,
Whether it's cold or hot. Oh.
Yun ang ano. Welcome to my life.